And the Prime Minister is pushing back against growing criticism over the slow rollout of body-worn cameras, even as disturbing footage of a police fatal shooting in St. James fuels public outrage. Sandy Williams reports.
It is the policy of the government to fully deploy camera systems for the police force.
A firm declaration from Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness, but one that lands in the middle of a storm sparked by the fatal shooting of Latoya Bulgin, caught not on a police body cam, but on a nearby CCTV camera. The images, now widely circulated, show a police officer standing in front of Bulgin's vehicle before firing a shot through the windshield, hitting her. It's the kind of footage that raises more than eyebrows. It also raises questions about force, judgment, and why the police officer wasn't wearing a camera of his own.
We have about 1,000 in deployment, and we have another 1,000 in procurement, and we are working on another 1,000 to come.
3,000 cameras in the pipeline, but over several years. Dr. Holness says the delay isn't denial, it's logistics, from broadband infrastructure to data storage and officer training. He insists the system must be built before the cameras can be worn.
We simply don't have the resources to do it all at once. And even if we got all the cameras all at once, they couldn't be deployed all at once because the training to use them, and then all the backup services, and then the broadband and connectivity that is required for upload and safekeeping in order that the images that are captured are evidentiary. So there is an entire suite of activities that have to be in place before body-worn cameras become universally systemized within the JCF.
Still, critics argue while the system builds, trust breaks, because without cameras, every incident risks becoming a case of citizens' word against the badge. Dr. Holness says the end goal, though, is to have every officer and every interaction recorded.
It will become, as it is now, that every policeman has a weapon assigned to them, or every policeman who is deployed to interact with the public will have a camera assigned to them.
But even that promise comes with caveats. Chest-mounted cameras won't work in every scenario, especially high-risk tactical operations. Alternative designs like helmet cams are being explored. The government says full rollout is 2 to 3 years away. Sandy Williams, TVJ News.